How do you show subtotals in Tableau? In this example, I have region, category, subcategory, and sales on a crosstab. I'm showing the grand totals, the row totals, and subtotals for each category. Let's add a new sheet and see how to do this in Tableau. I've duplicated the sheet and I have a crosstab of sales by region, category, and subcategory. In order to add subtotals, I can add them in the analytics pane, or I can click on analysis. So let's grab totals from the analytics pane and drag it over to subtotals. I could also click analysis, totals, and add all subtotals. One other option you have with subtotals is the ability to remove some subtotals and leave some others. I'm going to add one more field called segment to the view. And you'll see that I have subtotals for only category, but I don't have subtotals for the subcategory. If I click on the drop down on subcategory, I can click subtotals here and make sure that we have subtotals for each subcategory as well. I can also click category and remove subtotals if I don't want them to be on category. Hope this helps.